Hey guys, this is Gabriel, and for today's video, I am going to show you how did I get my dream car. You know what guys, the lights synchronize with my voice. Ha, 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 ha. Isn't that amazing? Now, do you want to know how did I get the sick gen? It's because of this. Hello guys, this is Gabriel again, and today is December 22nd, 2020. A few more days, it's gonna be Christmas. But today is the first day I'm recording myself. This is Gabriel, and today is December 24th. And it's our second time filming myself. Look how dirty my shoes are. It's Gabriel again, and this is our third time filming myself. So basically it's third day. Hello guys, today is our fourth day, and today is December 31st, midnight, and tomorrow is gonna be New Year. So Happy New Year everyone, Happy New Year. And also guys, just want to take a chance, since I'm doing a vlog about my car, and since today or tomorrow is gonna be New Year, I would like to say that 2020 is the worst year for me. It seems I'm okay because I'm doing this kind of vlogs, and I do vlogs and vlogs like that. But this year is my worst year. I've been through a lot this year. It's my worst year ever in my life, and I decided to do vlogs. I feel okay about it. So basically I do vlogs for my own therapy, because I found myself drowning this year, not because of the COVID, but because I'm in very tight position right now. Like, how can I say it? Too much going on for me this year. And people thought I'm okay, but I am not. And alright guys, that's all I can say. And it may seem so bad this year, like 2020. But one thing is for sure, I'll keep fighting. And I got dreams, and I do believe that dreams may change somehow and some other time. But whatever dreams I have today, I would like to assure myself that it's gonna happen in the future. I'm not gonna let my dream stays as a dream. I will make it happen.
A few moments later.
Babalik ang lahat ng ating nakaraan. Dahil ba sa huli na ang lahat sa ito'y paan.
Ito kasi sa pagkawalang direksyon ng aking ingatan. Today, I think it's our 5th day of recording. Hello guys, today is our 6th day. Like 6th day. Hey guys, today is our 7th day and we got food right here because it's our paycheck. Good day guys, today we're doing some tagging for inventory. Do you see that? Those paper, I've been working through that since like 6 hours ago. And yeah, and right here, this is what I do every day. Crazy. 8. I'm tired. It's 9th day guys, 9th day. Yeah guys, what's up? So today, once again, it's our 9th day. And I was just done with my job with tagging out because for this upcoming inventory. And as you can see here, see? That's what I have been doing all day. And I hate it very much. 10 days everyone, 10 days, finally 10 days. Today is 12th day, 13 days guys, 13th day. Oh, I'm so tired. Hello guys, today is our 14th day and today we got a budge. I've been working for 5 months and I got 2 badges for now, and those badges I got it this month. So it's been 5 months since I started working here and I only get 2 badges. It's really such amazing. It's amazing. I really work hard for this, so congrats for us. Boss, ano masabi mo sa award ko, boss?
Good job.
Good job. Ano masabi mo sa art ko?
Art.
Ah,
Maganda
sa
yung art. May dating.
May
Pwede
dating.
natin ibenta.
Kakamukha ko ba?
Kamukha mo, pwede mabenta.
Sige, check natin yung kamukha ko. Tingnan lang ang kamukha ng art ko. Uy, ano yan? Ano yan? Sino yan? Ay! Ako pala yan! Anong sabi? I am cute, right? Sa'yo, pero baka nandiyan, That's my signature, boy. Hey guys, today is our update about my masterpiece. They want to get rid of this because it looks exactly like me and they don't want to see my face every time. Like the manager the ASM, the assistant manager, the supervisor have seen this one, and they all said it's a quite great work. It's a masterpiece, but I gotta get rid of it. So I'm still proud that I did this one. I did this one too, you know. I have no home. So today is our 15th day. What's up guys? Today is day 16 and I'm going home. What's up guys? Today is February 14th. It's wait. Give me 1 second. It's Valentine's. Yeah, it's Valentine. I don't know about Valentine's, so I forget what it's called. So it's February 14, our 16th day of recording. Hey people, today is February 21st and it's our 18 times of filming myself. And right now what I am doing is staging orders. Rock and roll. Hello guys, this is Youll and I just want to show you that the kind of job that I am doing right here. See this? Those are customs and I have to actually manually place it or stage it to their base or to their homes. And that's kind of job I am doing here. Besides taking orders, I am doing that as well. And right now I'm looking so matured. Just doing all this kind of stuff. It's tough, bro. It's heavy. But just keep working hard, you know. Hello guys, today is our 7th day and I always do this. I always do that at work and then it's crazy, but it says in here don't do it. Hello guys, today is February 27th and it has been 6 months since I started working here and I actually have 2 jobs. That's the reason why I finally bought my own car. Yeah, boy. With my own expense. And yes guys, I'm really excited to show you that. This is gonna be crazy and I personally like the car. I don't know to you guys, but I love the car. And this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna film myself. I would probably change another job, do a better job, earn some money and invest in my education.